My name is Lauren Harrop-Tyson. I'm an accounts associate at bennettbrooks & Co Limited. I'm currently studying ACCA, but I've also recently completed AAT. I hadn't really planned to do an apprenticeship, but I quickly realised after starting to study AAT that I'd be better off learning on the job. So halfway through my level 2, I applied for an apprenticeship at bennettbrooks, and it's probably the best thing I could have done because it's given me such an all-round experience.
I'm James, I work at bennettbrooks in Llandudno, North Wales, and I'm studying ACCA. Studying an apprenticeship was something that I always intended to do. I was never really keen on the idea of moving away and going to university and building up a student debt. I really like the idea of earning while I learn and gaining real-world experience. I can work on anything from VAT returns, corporation tax returns, year-end accounts, management accounts, client meetings, so every day is completely different.
bennettbrooks have been very supportive. They have given me extra time off for any ceremonies, competitions. I also have regular check-ins and one-to-ones based on how I'm getting on with my not only work performance but exam performance and how I can do extra work to pass those exams as well. Being nominated as the AAT Student of the Year was so unexpected, but it gave me so much confidence. It encouraged me to continue studying through ACCA, knowing that I'm actually quite good at the studying part of it.
So it was important to me to build a career in the area that I grew up, because this is where all of my family and friends are. Those are the people that mean the most to me. And to be able to train towards a qualification that's the equivalent to a master's down the road from where I've grown up that's a massive bonus to me. Top
3 skills in accountancy, I'd say top is time management. You need to be able to manage your own workload, especially if you do want to progress to become chartered. Second one, I'd say communication. It's really important to work together as a team. If there's different elements of different jobs going on at the same time, you need to be able to bring it all together. And it also helps for building client relationships as well. So being detail orientated is very important. You sometimes get inundated with vast amounts of data and you need to be able to spot any discrepancies or anomalies, so I think that's very important as well.
If you're unsure of how to begin your journey into finance and you can't decide between university, an apprenticeship or a vocational route, you really just have to go for what's right for you. What's right for one person isn't necessarily correct for somebody else. Obviously, I think the apprenticeship route is the best.
There's so many different roles within finance. We're not just only accountancy, everything is finance. So I'd just give it a go. I mean, I never saw myself as a trainee accountant. I used to be a hotel manager, so when I just changed career. So I just give it a go and see what's out there.